Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. If you are new here, it is 7 a.m. I just woke up and I'm going to be filming my summer morning routine today. I always get waken up by my alarm, but then also Kitty comes in here and makes sure that I'm actually getting up. So I'm going to get up, I'm going to do my skincare routine first thing. Then I'm going to wake Lennon up and take her out on a walk. And then we're going to get my day started and get ready for the day. Good morning. Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Come on. Gonna open up the blinds, get some natural light in here. Back from taking Lennon out, I just take her out right away so she can go to the bathroom, just on like a quick little mini walk, but I'll take her for a longer walk later. She sleeps so much. She's like not a morning person, so I wake her up when I get up, but then she just goes back to sleep after our walk. But now I'm going to make some breakfast and have some lemon water. I actually haven't been drinking coffee in the mornings anymore. I didn't really like how it was making me feel. It was making me like crash later in the day, and I just feel like it was making me more tired throughout the day. So I'm just gonna have a big cup of water with lemon in it. And then for breakfast, I'm feeling oatmeal today. Breakfast is done. This looks and smells so good. So while I eat my breakfast and drink my lemon water, I'm also going to take my vitamins. So this is the perfect time to talk to you guys about Nourish. They are the sponsor of today's video. These are the vitamins that I've been taking lately. They're the Nourish Vitamin Packs by Nature Made. Nature Made is a trusted brand that I'm sure you guys all probably know, and they're actually the #1 pharmacist recommended vitamin and supplement brand. And they created a subscription service that gives you personalized nutritional supplements supplement packets. When you get started, you take a little quiz on nourish.com that asks you a bunch of questions about yourself, your lifestyle, if you have any like dietary restrictions, how often you exercise, things like that. And then they also ask you questions about your personal health goals. For me, some of the health areas that I wanted to address were my energy levels, my immune health, and my stress levels. So the vitamins that are in my packs are magnesium oxide, a multivitamin for women, omega-3, vitamin B12, vitamin C, and vitamin D3. There are so many different vitamins out there, it can get very overwhelming to try to figure out which ones you should be taking and buy them individually. So having Nourish recommend the vitamins that I should be taking based on my specific lifestyle and health goals makes it so much easier and more convenient. Taking these supplements every day has just helped to support my healthy lifestyle, and it's a really easy thing to add into my routine. Also, you can always swap out the vitamins that are in your pack if you want to make any changes to what was recommended to you. I also love that they come in these handy little packets. They're super convenient for on the go, or if you're traveling, you can just take the exact amount of packets that you need for how many days will be gone. Everyone's bodies and health goals are unique, so obviously we should be taking supplements that are unique to us. It's also just nice knowing that all the vitamins that come in your Nourish packs are nature-made vitamins. It's just a very trusted brand. It's been around for over 50 years, so you know you're getting the best of the best in your packs. I highly recommend checking out Nourish if you're looking to add a vitamin and supplement subscription into your routine. And if you want to try it out, you can head over to nourish.com and enter the code Maddie30 at checkout, and you'll receive 30% off your first box. You can click the link in the description box down below. Definitely check it out, and thank you so much to Nourish for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna take these with my breakfast and my water. I usually watch some sort of show or YouTube video on my computer while I eat. I've been hooked on Love Island. I've never watched it before, and then I just started Love Island UK season 6 like a few weeks ago, and I binged the whole season so fast, and now I'm on season 5. I'm almost done with it. I'm just going backwards, like way out of order, but it's so good. It's like so addicting. So I'm gonna watch that while I eat. Next up in my morning routine, I'm gonna head to the gym. Gonna just do like a quick 30-minute workout, probably just do 12 to 30 on the treadmill. So I'm gonna change into a little workout set, and then we're gonna go get a little sweat in, get my body moving for the day. Back from the gym now. I just took a little body shower, but the gym was good. I just did 12 through 30. I got really into Pilates this summer, which I'm really happy about because I've never really had like a workout class that I'm actually like excited to go to. So I've been doing Pilates really consistently. I go twice a week usually. And what's good about it is like once you book your class, you can't cancel it when it's like less than 12 hours before. So if it's like an hour before, I can't just be lazy and be like, I'm not gonna go, because then I'm like wasting my money. It's definitely been like motivating me to work out. So I do Pilates twice a week, but I try to supplement in the gym at least like 2 or 3 other days during the week and do some sort of cardio, just because Pilates like it's a great workout and I'm like sore the next day, but it's more just like strengthening. I don't really like work up that much of a sweat. So I like to do some sort of cardio throughout the week just so I'm like getting my heart rate up. So I usually just do 12 through 30, or I'll do like the stair stepper for 30 minutes. Just kind of depends on my mood. Sometimes if I'm feeling it, I'll also do some kind of like lifting stuff. But today I just did 12:3:30. So I just showered. My shower routine changes. Sometimes I do the morning and sometimes I shower at night. But it just depends on if I worked out that day and like what time. Morning shower day today. But I'm gonna get ready for the day and put on some makeup. But before I do that, I need to take Lennon out one more time. Lennon, wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? You wanna go to the doggy park? I am going to start getting ready for the day. I'm gonna do some makeup. I had to run some errands today and then I'm filming like a sit down video later, so I'm just gonna do my full makeup now. You guys have probably seen me use most of these products already, so I'm just gonna speed through this. All the products that I use will be linked down below. Starting off with some sunscreen though. This Tula probiotic sunscreen has been my favorite lately, especially actually, I was gonna say especially under makeup, but whether or not I'm wearing makeup, I still love this sunscreen because it makes your skin so glowy. Like, wait, do you guys see that? It's like a little intense at first, but once it's all like set in, it makes your skin look so naturally glowy. Also using this little eye balm from Tula. This product is newer to me. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in shade 2. Here's what it looks like. I used to love the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer, but mine broke. And then I found out that they don't sell it at Sephora anymore. So I went to Sephora looking for like a new bronzer, and I told the girl that I really liked the Marc Jacobs one, and she said this would be like the most similar. And I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I love it. It's like the perfect like warm toned bronzer without looking orange. Yeah, if you're looking for a new bronzer, I highly recommend this one. It just like warms my face up so nicely, and it's definitely on the pricey side, but it's like such a big pan. This is gonna last me like forever. Makeup is done. I just need to do lips, but first just hitting this hair with some dry shampoo. The Living Proof dry shampoo is my favorite. This bottle's like almost empty. I need to get another one. For lips, I'm just gonna line them with Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and then I'm feeling gloss today, so I'm gonna use the Dior Lip Maximizer in the shade 1. This is my favorite daytime scent. It's just the Replica Beach Walk perfume. It smells so good. Very like light and fresh and summery. Perfect for like everyday use. Just gonna spritz some of that on. Here is my little outfit for the day. I'm just wearing this like black romper from Aritzia. This is like one of the best things in my closet at the moment. I was kind of hesitant to get one of these like romper one-piece situations because I was scared there would be like a camel toe situation, but this actually fits so well. No camel toe. It's like so stretchy. It's the most comfortable thing ever. I got it in a size small. It's great. And then I just threw this little white long sleeve over it. I just thrifted this. My little bag is from Princess Polly. Shoes are Air Forces. And that is the fit. I have to head out and get my day started, so I'm going to end off this morning routine video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been enjoying my last few weeks of summer because soon fall is gonna be here and my morning routine is gonna probably change. So let me know if you guys want more routine videos when we get into the fall season. I can definitely film those for you guys. But I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys very soon in another new video. Bye.